back in with Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. Last time I did that rainbow peacock, and this time I wanted to do an actual peacock using mostly blues. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Sigma E35 brush and the color Kiwi, and I'm just going to tap that right above my crease. Okay, so I'm just going to sweep the end of that just so it kind of looks like a wing. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the color Daffodil and the Sigma E36, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that green. Okay, so next I'm going to go into that dark blue color called Macao. So usually at this point I would cut my crease with a concealer, but since this color is so dark, I really don't need to do that. If I was going to use a lighter shade for my eyelid color, then I would definitely need to use a concealer because these darker shades would pop up underneath. But like I said, since that dark blue is so dark, I don't need to cut the crease with a concealer. So if you don't have hooded eyes, you don't need to do this next step. You can just keep that blue on your lid. But since I want that blue to pop up when my eyes are open, I am going to draw a line of how high I want that blue to go. And I'm also just going to make a wing. Okay, so I'm just going to fill in all those empty spaces with that blue. See, like it's dark enough to cover everything, so you really don't need to cut your crease with a concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Beauty Bar Baby's Pigment and Spellcaster. You can leave it like this, but the blue is kind of too matte for me, especially because when you look at a peacock, they have really nice shiny feathers. You can also use this alone, but I feel like the blue underneath just makes it really pop. So that's Spellcaster. Look how pretty that is. It's like blue and purple, and it's really nice and shiny. Okay, so I'm just going to tap that color all over the blue. I'm just going to get a smaller brush to fill in that wing at the end. See, look how nice and shiny that is compared to this side. Okay, so I'm really debating whether or not I should draw a black above that blue. Okay, I'm just going to take Inglot's Gel Liner number 77. Yeah, so I guess I'm just going to outline everything with that black liner. Okay, so that took me a while because my gel liner was so dry. And usually when I have really dry gel liner, I use Inglot's Duraline. You just put a drop and then it's like back to new. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with that yellow. Okay, so that yellow is not bright enough for me, so I'm just gonna use a yellow glitter. I swear, I've been getting like these weird bumps on my eyes. See, look how like unblended that looks right there. I've been getting little tiny like, they're not pimples, but they're just like little tiny bumps on my eyes. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one, but it's kind of annoying. Okay, you don't need to use yellow glitter. I just want the inner corner to pop just a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with Impulse Cosmetics glitter in Alert. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab on some glitter glue in the inner corner and then add that yellow glitter. Such a pretty yellow glitter. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the color Peacock. I had to use that color somehow in this look. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner, lashes, and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna be a little bit more extra and put some gems just so it looks more peacock-y. I just got these gems from Etsy and I'm gonna put some glitter glue and then place it where I want. I don't know, now I feel like that's a little bit too much. Okay, so I wasn't really feeling that blue, so I'm just gonna go in with a brown. This is Jouer's Truffle. Okay, that's looking a little bit better now. Okay guys, we are all set. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.